Welcome guys, this is Usman and I am at Kansas. So food is here. Oh my God.
They just put her to sleep.
We're all up here going to eat. Guys, we are leaving for out. And here, my cousin, she's trying to do stuff.
Yeah, babe, what's up?
Where's your mask?
I don't like
You're supposed to wear a mask. No, you're supposed to wear a mask.
My hubby's calling me back.
So we're going to go mall first, and then we are going to go do indoor skydiving. Yay! Let's go.
Make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, we haven't left this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Why you guys are killing the time? Tell me.
I'm getting a seizure.
Your gift has problems, right? Both of the gifts has problems.
So let me pick another design.
Oh my goodness. I guess I am out of money now.
He's like, I'm on my.
So here we are trying to figure out his shoes because obviously I bought it a shoe which is so smaller and his feet are like monsters feet.
Large size.
Guys, you guys are taking too long. You have to go to indoor skydiving.
All right, look, I'll tell you, the day you find indoor skydiving, I'll meet you there.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here.
It's 5:48 and we have to be there at 6:30 because the flight is at 6:30, so you're late and you're trying to like get through there really quick as possible. So we will see you there, guys. Bye. Okay, so we are here. Yeah. So we are gonna fly. We are here. I am just waiting for my time. It's going to be only in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna be right there. Yes, guys, we'll see you there. Ready to go. finally we have food. Yeah, drinks is here, food is here.
I love this.
Yeah, by the way, this is Lava's house. We are at Lava's house. And gonna have food. Finally, we were waiting forever, and these guys took forever to come.
Travel's long.
Pizza here. Pizza, and Lava is taking all the pizza. Why, Lava?
Texas burger, right?
We need a pizza. Don't eat all. Yes.
12 chicken.
Asher, are you done already?
Eating away.
Asher, are you done? Or are you going? Is the chicken will come to your dreams and it will be like, oh, why are you eating like that?
Chicken dress karega. Hi.
Like it's. Oh my God! It's so many. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know how many. So guys, we are playing game here, and they are all having argument. And we are, and it's so. It's 12:45 and we are playing game and they're not letting me. They're not letting me.
Who are you lying to? You're lying to your audience? Guys, unsubscribe.
Wait, unsubscribe negative mention.
Okay, please continue. Please continue.
It was 30 seconds.
I wasn't. I had 5 seconds. फिर तुझे बोला.
And they all are fighting.
Wait, guys. In that case, we skipped over
You
last
guys
round.
fun.
No, you didn't.
No, she said a word.
You guys all assumed that she was out. तुमने effective बोला, तुम lowered बोला. तुमने effective बोला. So she used your part.
Oh my goodness. Can we please keep going?
तुम लोग क्या effective हो गया?
You just skip like a whole scene of people.
ऐसे करते हैं, let's just cancel the
Oh, I love it. It was so good, guys.
Learn that for me.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. I love that. Yeah.
Usher?
Oh my God.